guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing my everyday makeup. It's very simple. I don't wear like a lot of makeup, so it's like a on the go type thing. I look a mess, but anyway, so yeah, I'm about to show y'all what I do to my face on the everyday thing. Okay, so first we're gonna start with moisturizing the face. Okay, finally got it open, so gonna moisturize the face. This is a must, y'all. Okay. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my LA Girl primer. I don't wear foundation. I just like wear concealer, and that's it. Like, oh, I really need. I got that together. Next, I'm gonna take my NK Makeup Concealer. This is what I use. Y'all don't mind my nails. I need my nails done. So I'm gonna put a little bit under my eyes. Then like down here on my chin and a little bit like up here. So what I do, like I let it sit for a minute, then I go on and do like another like makeup thing. So I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna do my under eyes. Black. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah, this is the thing where you have to be like focused, okay? Okay, I have that on. Next, I'm gonna like prep my lips, so that way I won't have to do it like at the end. It be already like together. The way I have on Carmex, so I like to moisturize my lips before I even like do my lips. I'm taking my brown. This is like brown 056. If y'all don't know, this is my favorite combo. I use this in every video I make, okay? Like literally my best friend. And which y'all like a favorite thing that I like to do also when I like outline my lips, I do my lip gloss, then I go over again with this lip liner and I apply lip gloss again. So I just like a full look, okay? So then I got that outlined. So now I'm about to blend out this concealer. First I'm going to, oh yeah, this is my makeup bag. Like, how pretty is she? I'm going to use this brush to like blend it out. Next, I'm going to go and do my blush, which I'm gonna show y'all. This is how I look. And the color that I always use is this one. So this is what we're going for today. I'm going to do my lips. And I'm using the LA Color lip oil. So once I do that, I take my lip liner again, over it, like I told y'all. Then I take the lip gloss with the lip oil again, and I just like do more, like 2 more coats. I'm gonna take my setting spray, which is LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. Just y'all, simple. Like, y'all see, like, it's giving like simple 5 minutes. Like if you in a rush or something, like, alright, but I gotta like take off the curls and stuff. But other than that, simple. And that's all for my everyday makeup. If y'all like it, so let me know how do it look down in the comments. And yeah, that is all.